is soft. My cat is orange. Your cat is black and white. My balloon is little. Your balloon is big. What's your name? My name is Larry. What's your name? My name is Charlie. What's your name? My name is Gracie. What's your name? My name is Sunday. His shirt is yellow. Her shirt is orange. His socks are purple. Her socks are blue. His shoes are brown. Her shoes are pink. What his name? His name is Larry. What his name? His name is David. What her name? Her name is Jimmy. Jimmy. What her name? Her name is Tracy. Their names are Jimmy and May. That is their monkey. His name is Sunny. That is their mother. She is angry. What are their names? Their names are Sunny and Rita. What are their names? Their names are Tracy and Sandy. This is our house. Your house is beautiful. This is our mother. Your mother is nice. My turtle is fast. My turtle is slow. Your turtle is fast. Their dog is black. Our monkey is brown. His balloon is red. Her balloon is green. Carrie dog is white. My cat is orange. Larry parrot is noisy. Charlie turtle is fast. Sandy hair is long. Jenny hair is short.